Welcome, my name is Sierra and I'm a 28-year-old single mom who has been traveling in my camper that I live in full-time through the mountains for the summer to live freely and immersed in nature. And this is our new home for the next 2 weeks. We are currently situated in the mountains of northern New Mexico, and if you watched my last video, you know that I was never able to get my water pump to work, so we have no running water. And I've also been having an issue with my solar panels, so we've been having to go to public places that have plugs to charge up my solar generator. So I've been having an issue with my solar panels. I have only one that works. And I was saying that we also secretly charged one of my generators because I brought my wagon. So I just charged it in the wagon. So yeah. And y'all know that my water pump's still not working. In the last video, you can see what happened, but I know what to do. It's just, I was like, I'm just gonna do it in the mountains because it's too hot working in 90-degree weather. We got a nice, fresh, clean shower because showering has been a struggle without my water pump. It only costed $20. $12 for adults, or $8 for kids, and we got to swim for like 5 hours or 4 or something like that, and we got a shower too. But then my parents came to visit us like they always do when we go to New Mexico, and thankfully my mom brought all of my last minute Amazon orders, including 2 brand new solar panels and a camping water pump shower, so we didn't have to struggle anymore. My parents were only here for a few days, so I wanted to make the most of our time since we'd be gone for a couple of months afterward. So I showed them around my favorite places in Angel Fire and Taos since I knew the area pretty well already. Someone just told me on the trail that if you follow these red vines back, they'll lead you to strawberry plants. And I found one little one right here, baby one, so cute. Let's see what it tastes like. Thank you, Mother Earth. So little, oh my gosh. I also found out that these smaller, almost fluffy like pine cones were males, and they're the ones that release the pollen. And we also saw like 3 wild turkeys on the way back home. Something really special about this campsite is that there's a herd of cows that roam the pastures freely, and they're quite entertaining to watch, except whenever they knock over your Starlink and they won't move away from it. Wow. Oh, jeez, Sage. Oh my gosh. Kiki. So we only have a couple days left at this campsite, and we've been wanting to explore this one area nearby. So we are gonna go head over to this big beautiful lake that we saw on the way here and just like have a picnic, and we're gonna take our cat, so we might go on a hike. We'll see. I really hate to wake baby girl, but we really want to take her on an adventure because she hasn't gone with us on one yet, really. Baby girl, you go wake up, mama. She's purring. Hey, mama. Hi, Charlie. Good baby. Oh. We said to go on an adventure. I was thinking to just put my solar panels inside while we're leaving. We're only going to be gone for a few hours, but in the past when I've been here, I've always left them out and nothing ever happened. I left them out the other day and nobody took them. And when they're flat like that, it's kind of hard to even tell from like the road that they're even here. So I think it'll be okay, because I'd like to charge up my 12-volt battery while we're gone because the sun is really good right now. And I went ahead and set up my Ring, so I'm just gonna keep my Starlink on and just have my Ring camera so that'll alert me if anyone comes. I'm getting about 300 something watts, and then a bit over 400 is pulling, so it shouldn't go down too much. I'm gonna try and find a place to dump my trash. I've been kind of struggling with that. Despite the bit of the rough start that we had, I honestly feel like it doesn't even matter. Like, the fact that we don't have running water is a slight minor inconvenience, of course. But honestly, the way that we get to live, that is just not important. Like, we are literally living an answered prayer, and being so immersed in nature and being somewhere where nature is accessible, being in a small mountain town where everybody knows each other and experiencing different cultures, living for free off the land, in harmony with the land. Like, this is so in alignment with who I am and how I want to live and raise my son. And that means more to me than anything else. So yes, this lifestyle can be a bit challenging and difficult at times, especially on your own, but I promise it's so worth it. If this is what makes you feel alive, it's always going to be worth it.